Ramesh bought a talking parrot to impress his friends. The shopkeeper warned, "It only speaks when it's happy." Ramesh took it home, fed it fruits, sang songs but silence. Finally, he yelled, "Say something, you useless bird." The parrot blinked and said, "Calm down, boss. I was buffering," shocked. Ramesh dropped his phone, and the parrot added, "See, even your brain has network issues." The next day, the parrot started mimicking Ramesh's mother, shouting, "Wake up, lazy boy." Now Ramesh's mornings are never quiet. The parrot's latest trick? Ordering pizza online while Ramesh is asleep.